Dialogue between two friends on the importance of mobile phone. Amit, hi Ria, how are you? Ria, hi Amit, I am good. What about you? Amit, I am good too. What is in your hand? Ria, oh, I bought a new mobile phone. Amit, do you think mobile phone is important? Ria, yes, mobile phone helps us to talk our family and friends anytime. Amit, that's true. My father calls my grandmother every day on his mobile phone. Ria, yes, we can use mobile phone to learn new things. My mother shows me fun learning videos on her phone. Amit, oh yes, I use my dad's phone to watch math videos. It helps me to understand better. Ria, mobile phone is also useful in emergencies. If someone needs help, we can quickly call for help. Amit, that's really important. But, Ria, I think we should not use mobile phone too much. Ria, you are right. Playing too many games on phone are not good. We should also play outside and read books. Amit, yes, mobile phone is helpful, but we must use it wisely. Ria, that's true. Let's go and play now. Amit, yes, let's go. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.